Hey guys, in this Unreal Engine 5 tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a quick and easy press E to interact system. So when I'm pressing E right now towards my interactable object, it's not working. As you can see in the top left, I'm pressing E, but the moment I get up to it and I press E, the interaction is successful and I can execute whatever code I want to. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to our content drawer, we're going to go to first person blueprints, and then we're going to create a new folder called interaction. From there, we're going to right click, go to blueprint, go to blueprint interface, and then type in BPI underscore interaction. Perfect. Double click on it to open it up, and then a new function tab right here, type in interaction, the same name. Compile and save. That's all we need to do for here. Then, in our interaction folder, we can create our first interactable object by going to blueprint class, actor, and then BP underscore base interactable. Perfect. Then what we can do is we can go to get a cube, and then with the cube selected, I'll change it to orange. And then we can also add, if you want to, a spherical collision, which just makes the interaction area bigger for the player to look at. Instead of just having to stare directly at the cube, they can point their cursor at the corner and it'll still pick up and interact. Perfect. Then we go to class settings, go to implemented interfaces, and then BPI underscore interaction. That's all we need to do here for now. Actually, we can go to the event graph and just double click on interaction to set it up. And then from event interaction, we can destroy actor. Perfect. So we're going to get keyboard events, and then we're going to find E. I would recommend using enhanced input. It's a better option, but I'm just, for the sake of easy and readability, we're just going to use E. And then out of E pressed, we're going to get a line traced by channel. Perfect. And then we're going to get our first person camera, and then we're going to get world location, and then this first get world location is going to be plugged into our start. And then out of first person camera again, we're going to get forward vector, and then we're going to get a multiply, and then we're going to convert this by right clicking on it to a float double precision. And then this is going to be our distance, how long the line will be. So I'll do 250. So it's somewhat close but kind of far. Then out of get world location, we're going to drag out an add. And then we're going to drag the output of get forward vector multiplied by 250 and then plug it into the get world location. It's plus right here. And then this right here is going to be our end value. Perfect. Make it a little bit easier to read. There you go. There's that code right there. Then out of the out hit right here, we're going to get a break hit result. We're going to open it up, and then we're going to get a branch coming out of here. And then we're going to get a does object implement interface. And then out of hit actor, our test object is going to be the hit actor, and our interface is going to be BPI underscore interaction. Then out of the true, first, I forgot, we have to go to class settings, and then implement an interface, and then BPI underscore interaction, the interaction interface that we just made before. Then what we're going to do is we're going to right click, and then go to interaction. You might have to deselect context sensitive to get this, but then you do message. It has to be interaction message. Then out of the true, we just do that. And then the target, will be our hit actor. Perfect. And that's it. Now let's see if this works. So I go to interaction, I drag out my interactable cube, I'm pressing E, I press E on top of the cube, perfect, it works. So if I press E from here, boom, works. We're back in here. If we want to visualize it a little bit more, out of E, instead of just directly going to line trace by channel, we can print string. We can print a string instead, just so you guys can visualize it a little bit more. That says is pressing E, and then make this red, symbolizing that we're not clicking anything right now. And then before interaction, we can do a nice light yellow color and then say interaction. Compile and save. Now, as you can see, whenever I press E, I'm pressing E, but I'm not in an interactable interface anywhere. But when I go up to it, interaction. Perfect. When I go up to this, it doesn't work. But when I go up to the interactable object, also, if I'm over here and I'm not looking at it, it won't interact. But the moment I get close enough, it interacts. Thank you for watching.